First swing. What do you think? Whee! Whee! You're up north at Kathy's cottage. Whee! Look at my little boy sitting up, all by himself. Look at you. First time. First time. August 11th. Look at that strong boy. You talking to your puppy? Oh, my boy is so big. Look at that. Oh, you're doing great. And you're talking to your puppy. Good job. You're still doing it. You're still propping yourself up like a big boy. But you're about to go, aren't you? Good job, Theo. Hey, little guy, can you stick out your tongue? Show your mama how you can stick out your tongue. Oh, you're sticking your feet out. There's the mouth. Now stick out your tongue. You're silly. Where's the tongue? You're silly. You're a goofy. I love you. Oh, in the mouth. In the mouth. Love you, silly. Love you. Bye-bye. We got our little pickle here. Hi. There's that tongue again. There's those feet. There are those feet. You're so cute. Love you, little guy. Yeah, I love you. Such a good tongue. Look at you. You're so skilled. You're so skilled. Love you. Yeah. Such a good boy. Did you have a nice lunch? You did. There's dessert. Okay, sucking his fingers and eating. Yeah. There you go. Silly. You gonna hold it? Yeah. Just playing. There go the fingers. You don't even know what you're doing. You're not hungry, you're just playing. There you go. You can do both? Oh, and the feet straight up in the air. That's my kid. That's my kid.